Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree haul and it's an exciting one because I found a bunch of new makeup. It has been a minute since there's been new makeup at the Dollar Tree. Now I recently hauled some new Ioni makeup, which was really exciting. And I found some other different types of random new makeup. Lots of products from Ardell and Femme Couture and things like that. And also some nail products as well that I'm so excited to share with you today. So I'll have that previous haul linked down below where I found the new Ioni makeup. That way if you missed it and you're interested in seeing that, definitely check that out down below in the description box. So yeah, I'm just like super excited. And my makeup, I'll have it all linked down below in case you're interested in any of the products. But basically my eye makeup, I recently duped the new Natasha Denona Mini Bronze Palette. So these are my eyeshadow dupes. So I'll have that video linked down below as well if you missed it and you're interested in seeing that as well. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. And of course, if you're a returning Dollar Diva, I'm sure you're just about as excited for this video as I am, because you do know it's been a minute since I've really had a really good makeup haul, with the exception of my last one. So anyways, so excited. And so without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm gonna start with some new nail stuff first. Now you've seen me haul this brand before. You wouldn't know it now because my nails are a mess, but I have an LED light and you use like the gel nail polish, and when I do my nails, I love to do them that way because it just lasts so much longer. And I would rather sit under that lamp than have to wait for my nails to dry, only for them to not really dry and mess up and all that terrible stuff. But Dollar Tree's been carrying this brand called Sensational, and for $1.25, you can't beat it. So I got a couple different colors, and they had some new shades at this particular Dollar Tree. So this is the Sensational Gel Color. It's up to 2 weeks of dazzling, damage-proof wear. Of course, you have to use it with the LED lamp, which they're not expensive. Mine was like $20 on Amazon. So this is like a hot pink shade. This is in Precious Peony. And oftentimes, if you're unsure whether or not a gel nail polish is, because there's gel nail polishes that you don't need to use with an LED lamp, but if you're curious as to which ones you need for an LED lamp, there is a rule of thumb, other than packaging saying it. But sometimes, it might be hard to find. Basically, if the product comes in a opaque white or black bottle, such as this one right here. So let's open it up and kind of look at the shade. That is absolutely stunning. Beautiful for summer. Just a perfect hot pink. So super excited to have found more colors of this. Then this is the shade Coral Sunset, and I thought that was a gorgeous shade. Again, just another beautiful summer color. And then this other shade I got, the package looks a little bit different. I don't really see, it says it's a new formula and it says it's an express gel, one-step polish. So that might mean maybe one coat, I don't know. But this is in the shade Greige, G-R-E-I-G-E, Greige, and Gloomy. I don't really know what that word is, but it's really a beautiful neutral like taupe shade. Okay, that's a bigger bottle than the other ones. This is a 0.33 ounce bottle, and the other ones are a 0.25 ounce bottle. So it comes in a bigger bottle. And that's a really beautiful neutral. And then this is another interesting product. I've never used this before. I'm really excited, really intrigued. Again, it's the Sensational brand. It's Chrome Gel Manicure Powder. Again, it must be used with the LED lamp. And this is in the shade Silver. This is the only shade that I saw, but I will be on the lookout for other shades because I would love to find like a metallic pink. Okay, so you get this like little like eyeshadow brush type of thing, and then you get this little container of legit silver powder. Let's open it up. I'm a little bit afraid. Of course, I will have to read the directions. It's like a powder. So let's see, it does have directions. It says apply a black or a white gel polish as a base. Apply the powder on top, then remove the excess powder, and then apply the Sensational Nail Top Coat, which I think I have. I do have a clear product by them. I believe I have the top coat. If not, I'm sure you could probably use just another gel top coat that has to use an LED lamp. Well, I am super excited to try this. I think in between coats of everything, you use the LED lamp. That's very typical. So anyways, I will definitely let you know. So yeah, definitely excited to try this and let you know what I think and what it looks like. So now into the makeup, I hauled, they had some different types of eyelashes. The first was one store that I went to. This is actually the location I talked about, I think in my grocery haul. There's like a third location. It's like the third closest location to my house and it's beautiful. I'm gonna do a full walkthrough. My last walkthrough was 2 different Dollar Trees and I got a little bit of footage at this Dollar Tree, but they had some Ardell lashes. So these are the Ardell Professional Flawless Lashes. They're Whisper Soft. They're the Ardell 804s. So I thought those were really, really pretty. This was the only style they had. So I'm super excited to find some Ardells there and excited to try them, and we'll definitely be on the lookout for more. Then they had 2 other brands. They had this brand called Flair, and it's kind of packaged like Ardell's. And I think I might have had this in a haul recently, I'm not sure. Either that or I have them in a haul coming up. Can't really remember. Anyways, and they have like, I think like 4 or so styles of these. I got the 2 that really appealed to me. So this is the Flair 3D French Lash. It says they're 100% handmade, luxurious, and soft. So I got the styles A019 and A086. Just really wispy and really pretty. And they're like layered, you know, like where they're kind of like 3D. And the pack, and it actually says that they're like 3D lashes, and they're not kidding. See like how they're very, very layered. I don't know what the band is gonna be like. That'll be the ultimate test, but they look very, very, very promising. So super excited to try these. Comment down below if you have seen and or tried these lashes yet. Then they have this other brand called Gypsy, and they had a couple styles of these. I just got this particular style. This is the style 900, and it says it's the Gypsy Exotic Glamour Lashes. And they look a little short for my taste, but they're really thick and really full. And yeah, like I said, it's always fun to try new lashes. So super excited to play with some new lashes. Then there were some products from both Ardell and Femme Couture. Femme Couture, I don't know if they still sell it at Sally's, but you'll probably recognize that brand from Sally's. So first with the Ardell makeup. So if you watched my walkthrough, you'll see that they had like concealer and powder, and all the shades were dark. And they had a foundation. I went ahead and decided to pick up the foundation because my thought is that I can, if it's too dark, which it probably will be, I can mix it in with some of my lighter shades because some of my foundation is too light at the moment with me being a little tan. So this is the Ardell Camouflage High Def Foundation. So this is what it looks like. And this is in the shade Dark 10.0. Let's go ahead and try it. Like I said, I did not mess with the powder or the concealer, but if you have darker skin, definitely be on the lookout because Dollar Tree really lacks in shades, you know, skin tone shades, of course. Every now and again, you can find something really random, you know. So my pump bottle is broken, but not to worry. Oh, I know why it's broken. Detached from it. So I'm gonna get tweezers and try to dig it out. Be right back. Okay, I cannot find the tube, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my hand and I can get it out. So it is dark, but like not quite as dark as I thought. I'm pretty tan though. So yeah, I think that'll be really nice just mixed into some of my lighter foundation, and the consistency of it seems really nice. I don't know if you've tried this particular foundation. Definitely let me know. I've never used Ardell makeup, just their lash products. So then they had these things called the Attitude Adjuster Shade Effects Drops. And they had 2 different shades. This is Perfectly Lit and this is Golden Sheen. Kind of seems like it should be the other way around, but you can mix it into your foundation, dab it over your makeup, or wear it on bare skin. Nice packaging, comes in like a little drop bottle. So of course you want to shake them up really good. Here is the other shade. That shade's really pretty. So here are the 2 shades, just kind of lightly mixed into my skin. That one down there would be beautiful in some foundation. The other one is really gold. So yeah, we will definitely be trying these. They look very pretty. Like I said, this one here, especially in your foundation, would be beautiful. So I'll be doing at least 1, maybe 2 different videos testing some of this makeup. So definitely be on the lookout. So definitely be on the lookout and we'll be testing all this stuff. So then they also had this bronzer. It's called Vacay Mode. And this is in Sexy Glow Sunny Brown. So it's like a matte bronzer. It's got 2 shades in it. Often I just find that I end up mixing. So for my skin, as tan as I am now, I will have to mix because the light shade is a little too light. But this will probably be actually perfect for the winter time. So yeah, very, very matte. So yeah, we'll definitely see. Like I said, I will definitely use this in my next video where I test makeup. So this particular Dollar Tree had 4 different shades of these, but I only got one. But it's the Ardell No Slip Liquid Lip Liner. I've never used a liquid lip liner. This is the shade of Fire, so it's kind of like a reddish shade. That's what the packaging looks like. And if you watched my last walkthrough, you'll see that they had 4 different shades. I just picked out this shade because really, like, lip anything is really the last thing in the world that I need. That's interesting. So it has a little brush like this, and that's really very, very smooth. That's a very, very, very interesting product. Like I said, I've never used a product like this, so very excited to try this. So comment down below if you have used a liquid lip liner. It actually seems like it really stays. I'm having a hard time just getting it off with a simple baby wipe, so that is a good thing. So we still have a few products left. Next are the items I picked up from Femme Couture. The first is this Color Made Easy eye color, and this is in Smoked Plum. So of course it's one of those kits that kind of tells you what to do with all the colors, you know, highlight, contour, lid, yada yada. Now they all look shimmery, which is sometimes for me never a good thing. So here are the shades. And yeah, they're kind of shimmery. Comment down below if you've seen any other different shades at your local Dollar Tree, but we will definitely be testing this out really soon. And I actually picked up the only one of these. This is the Femme Couture Eye Drama Glitter Eye Pencil, and this is the shade Blue, so that definitely caught my eye. It's actually pretty creamy. It's a really pretty shade of blue. It's not extremely glittery. It does have a little bit of sparkle in it, but nothing crazy, but that is a gorgeous shade, so I'll definitely be excited to give it a try. And the last product by Femme Couture is the Eternal Color Felt Tipped Liquid Liner. And I got the shade Slate. This is the only shade that I saw when I was there. So that is a really, really, really nice point. It kind of reminds me of the Believe Beauty. Is it Believe Beauty that I'm thinking of? Oh, no, I got a hard candy one that was in like a gray. And that's why I picked it up, because usually the gray ends up being every bit as much black as I need it to be. That went on amazing. See, it's practically black. I mean, it doesn't really look gray, you know, when you look at it compared to the package, it may as well be black. So super excited to give that a try. It seems amazing. A couple more items to share. I found this Maybelline New York Carnal Brown lipstick. And it actually says that it's a powder matte. So here's what the packaging looks like. And I kind of like a brownish lip, so it intrigued me. Their packaging is really, really, really nice. I don't use Maybelline a whole lot. That is what the lipstick looks like. And it's kind of a brownish shade. I actually, from Influencer, got a NYX, this is Milky Gloss, and it's in like a brown. So the two of these will actually go really, really, really nice together. So very excited to try that. We'll see. So I recently did a couple of videos featuring some Be Pure products that you find at the Dollar Tree. They sent me some stuff in PR, kind of my very first PR. And I've been seeing these and thought the packaging was really pretty. But this is the Hydrating Lipstick infused with rose oil. The packaging is really, really, really pretty. So it's really gorgeous, actually. Very, very pretty. And there is the lipstick. I got like a red. It doesn't have the shade name on it, but this is like a red. And we'll see. This doesn't really seem like the most pigmented. Kind of seems a little bit more pinkish. But we'll see. We'll give it a try. We'll definitely give it a try. In the last item, you know I love this brow pencil, and they have the shade Dark Blonde, and I want to try it. I've been using medium brown. I don't know if they have a light brown, but it's my LA Colors brow pencil. And I just happened to see the Dark Blonde and thought I should give this shade a try. I have used dark brown and currently using medium brown. So this is the shade right here. I don't know if it's gonna really show up or if I'm gonna like how light it is, but I may love it because I sometimes feel like my brows are just kind of too dark. I don't know. So like I said, I definitely wanted to try this shade, so I picked it up. I will have my Dollar Tree haul playlist linked up here, as well as my Dollar Tree makeup playlist up here as well. That way you can watch more haul videos or Dollar Tree makeup videos if you enjoy this kind of thing. But before you do, make sure you like this video. It really does help my channel out so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.